this is the mixed drinks menu. These are the food menu.
Yeah.
A server will be with you soon, alright?
Alright, thanks.
Me get girl everywhere me go. Me get girl everywhere me go. That you me love everybody know. Girl that you me love everybody know. Me get girl everywhere me go. Me get girl everywhere me go.
Let me have some stoopies. Hopefully enough, you know. But at the price there, it better be enough. I want to try this Van Marley. Okay, I'm on stoopies with pigtail.
Alright, so stoopies, no stoopies.
Yeah, then I have no stoopies, then I'm an oxtail. Like, what go on? How? Hello. I apologize to you when you come back. May I see it? Curry goat. Oh, curry goat serve rice and peas and roti. I think I'll get that. Even though I rather curry chicken, but they don't have this on the menu. Wait, where are you? Where are you? Oh, American? So I apologize. I didn't know you have it right here. I didn't see it. Yeah, so I will get this. The curry goat with the rice and peas and roti.
A roti. Serving a roti.
I'm out there, I just feels. Got me, and I do what me now. We trying to land it. My spin, something you say something.
Thank you. Look at this. What you doing? What you doing? This curry goat look good though, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not a big fan of curry goat, but it's spicy though. That's just spicy. Hot. What is that?
It's the same thing that makes you eat my mind. It's kinda hard to explain. We're outside. You need to sit down, this may take a while. See this boy, he's so delicious, like yes, even smiles just the way you do. So, and that's easy, but I must move. I'll be right there when I'm getting you. You and my ear,
It's so good. It's spicy though. With the rice and peas. Now that's spicy. Not too much that. Oh, this is good. It's a lemonade. This is so good. First time at Marie's and it was good. 10 out of 10, just spicy. What's your rate? Oh yeah, laugh. What's your rate of fish? 10? 9? Why? I the whole night.
About 9. Should be a bit more spicy.
When you get hooked up, where's it go?
But can be more spicy.
You want 4? Oh, ooh, belly. Yeah. Thank you. Look at that food. This? It's not spicy. What?
I like. But it doesn't fit. I have to put soup. Eh? Let's get some chicken or beef or something. Hello. Oh. You have to drink it like this? Eh? Yeah, put this like that drink. Oh, so it's to drink it? It's hot too. Oh, that's why you drink it? Oh, this is nice. Oh god, this is strong. Oh god. This is so strong. Okay. I think I wasn't had a Bob Marley. It's strong though. That's what we don't jump on.
Yeah, we finish it.
What? What? Why? The shot. Yes, though. There's something just strong.
Finish?
No, I'm not gonna get.
Yeah, I'm finished.
Not to the bottom. Oh my god. You can't finish this. No, the bottom part warm.
No, fire para my room.
Oh. Hello. The water. You know she's strong at the bottom is warm. She's very, very warm.
Look at he just drink it. That's not fair. So I'm not supposed to struggle and you just drink out some stuff. I finished it. You ever do that, Nanda? You know what I do, right? No. When you eat and leave on a plate. Hey, that is nasty, you know. The green one, I put on the warm and it's nasty.
Tastes bad.
Yes, it tastes bad. This is the server. Oh, damn, put it up. They have a drug hut. But they have festival over here. But my belly full, so I don't want no more. But I'm going home now. What he said? These big ass cows, share them.
Yo, from I get the break, not take no break, my working daily. Want for rich, like really rich, it's like my number. Check my savings, got a truck. Now what the fuck, they feel me, I don't get the ratings from my mom. My name must be no ratings, but I'm busy.
My little date yesterday brought me these. I did not expect it. I was like, oh, that's cute. But yeah. So I'm gonna cut up one of these right now. I don't think this one. This one looks very sweet. And leave those. I got my coconuts. Even though Valerie have no coconut over there, so I don't have no coconut don't get chew. But yeah. This is school, preschool, probably America. I don't like nobody over. Are you over early? Go over there. Real bush. Yeah. The one over there's empty. No, what's on over there? Mango tree. Not ready yet though. We get the mango. You want mango this morning? Open the mango. What's there? Yes, come on, go. Randa. Randa. Come on, go, girl. Yes. We can. We don't know. Backside ain't good enough, sir. On the one here. Backside, man. Wow, girl. Ui. My boss. What the name? Come on, Mango. Oh. Come The girl. Oh, the girl, I know. I don't know why I said that. No, you just said I want to go spinach. On the road. Coconuts for days. No, you be go across the street. Oh, they have talked on him. Good exercise, girl. Hot door. Look at them, people. I'm so used to down here. I'm just walk past mango, so like on a mango. What's that? What a good mango. And you know what a mango? Yeah, no. What a mango them? They so used to down here, then just walk past mango like mango and a mango. You pick them up, you know? Me, I pick them up. Okay, so I don't have no bag. I will on Facebook, remember? I don't remember. Beautiful, nice. I forgot to do there's some the one time. They came to walk off school. Through the gully. Over a shit tank. What was going to go? Where? Oh. Bypass. I'm gonna stop. We're waiting for a taxi. We're waiting. Oh, watch it. Party Saturday. Big party. Javi and D'Angelo party. Maple market. What 150, 350.
That's right, Mia. How Mia sabe?
Look at the pots. You really pot them there?
Cholesterol, science, stress.
No, so look. What's it look for shirt? You buy shirt? No. Oh. Oh, you look on this like you want to buy a shirt. There's some food I know I am hungry. Taxi stand. How's school at Randall? Come on. Fast on. Oh, me try bad dog some. Me not try it. I don't know should I eat, but what's some rice? I don't want that, you know. Push up my cousin. Putting them out of school. I don't know, can't see. Punto.
Robin. Charger. Direct one. I've got use it. You check it. You check it. I did. Good in here. Feels so good. Oops, sorry. You don't want no basket, right? Come on. No, we're not doing like we do it there, yeah. We just want you cooking or something, them thing, are we? Take that.
Eh? Where's the take time talk for, sir? What's it? No, Abby. No, man, I don't want to touch something. I want to cook. No, man, I'm disappointed. Wonder so how far a place there? How far a place there? I must have cheese bread. I am hooked on the one with pineapple cake. Oh, this must be good. You want? Oh.
Try this. Give me one this one. Try the other.
I also took up one. Come on. Yeah, I'm gonna try it now. Oh no, I'm gonna eat that one. Oh, look on this, oh this. Oh this, the same thing, jelly, oh jelly bread.
But this looks tough.
The old one did it, not tough. So you know one. Soft and nice, yeah. I'll try them here. Snacks I'm trying. I'm gonna eat them, girl. What do you mean? I'm gonna eat them. How you eat them? I'm not gonna take long. Remember that bread? The bread almost done. Almost done. No, me none. No, like me 3 piece. No, leave it. I'm gonna make it flour tomorrow. Buy tomorrow. If you don't buy tonight. Ooh. And it looks clean and nice. I want to see I'm sure I get now. It'll be easy to eat. Yeah, that. What is this? Oh, I name backwards. Okay. Oh, the name I look on the name. It's in Spanish. Let's get some cornflakes. How much is this? Look at one. Look at one. Hey, I'm not spending nothing now, for real. That's one. One sec. Look at me, Charlotte Rotten. Oi! That look like it tastes good, I'm not lying. The jelly in there. Oh, okay. It was for something. Okay, not bad. I'm a little price. Yeah, because I really want that. No, I want the milk. That's what I want. I'm sorry, the milk. Oh, corn strawberry.
Morning,
for morning. You want to for morning? So when I just come in there with you? And are you? Now with you. Now with you, but you know not talk.
Because everything you have to take picture and show.
Can I buy this?
Yes, I was spending.
Sorry, though. Oh,
Oh gosh. Yeah, me think sorry do this. Water one person. I milk more now. What's the last for you? What's the seats? Do you have guests too? You don't have guest flavor. Somebody love Glasgow like you. The baggie.
I don't know if people love bagel.
But I like bagel. I'm not on a bagel right now. Look at the bad tomato there. What do people all go? Oh yeah, cheap also?
Yeah.
Oh.
$100.
How much was it? How much you get though? More than 4? No, it's not a kiwi. Kiwi green. They look like pear. We say red. What? Red Andrew. It's not a pear. What a pear that? I don't know what that is. Look at the same thing though. It's a kiwi.
Oh, that's where it is.
Kiwi, girl. He's in the body box. Kiwi. You good enough? She's not like, look, spinach. Spinach wraps. Ah, $1,000. That's not bad. And nothing they feel heavy. Oh, they're gonna me buy up so. They wanna me buy up so. They're gonna. Nice spinach. Yeah. I have much in there. Only 6 in there. I want to open up 5 or something. The one, if you have cocoa jet. I don't want to, no. Oh, see milk, yeah. Backside.
Yeah, the one there, are you buy small one?
From me a juvenile, the money I call me, call my daughter pick up Benz and my son in a honey. You them not for up, finna blood clot body. One of them I call me legend, I'm in a pass party. Oh my God, you never get it when you're young and hearty. My priority straight, me no broke down party. Couple hours over, someone want for a last shot. Get the money low, like me wanna gun and class. She has no love, she has sell me know the cost me. And nobody no know, cause me no talk talky. I while, none of my dog no saucy. Me can find the kind, me send no boy no flossy. With the piece wash off it, pull up and park it.
$34.
Hold me baby, girl you are the one. Your body hot so you want a sturdy man. Back it up for the dandy journey long. Your body righty, your body righty. Oh you righty, me love it, you want my wifey. Set it up now, come girl.
This lady just sent me this one whole bag of mango. $100. She didn't want to go home, she didn't want to bring back home. 2, 4, 12 mangoes, $400. That's not bad. 1 dozen. Alright, so this is what I got from Champy. Look at it. Look at it. Oh man, this is flash. Hold on. There you go. Just a flash for me. Yeah, baby. Some jerk pork. I mean, stewed pork with fried chicken.
You say that to the police. Man does have a look at you.
Go to it.
Go on, I have it.
You got me back. You can't get food today.
Four.
You didn't drive it, I'll come.
Yeah, she ready. Are you ready? Oh. Thanks, cousin. Oh, thank you, mom. No. 560. Okay, this one. Mother. In a hot though. They have chicken, but I don't chicken. I got KFC to buy chicken. My cousin. Flour. chicken. Thank you. That was quick.
Ear milk.
Here in the morning. What am I going to do? See that sound? That's the frogs. Enough water inside. Look at that. You want mashed potato? And here's the other bag. Other bucket over here. You know what? I'm gonna take some barbecue chicken because I'm hungry. Barbecue. Okay. It is so hot. Outside hot. Come inside, get a look at AC. Oh yeah, where Wi-Fi? What else you have? Oh, let me just listen. You good?
Huh?
You good?
Good?
Yeah.
You tell.
You're not eating now? I'm not eating now.
When you eat?
You're not going to say that. You're like 3 times a week. Love it, I try, you know. But I'm only there.
That time.
Yeah.
Look at it, it's good though.
I'm going to say by one.
Alright, oh gosh, this looks good. What is them? What? This one is not loud. It must be great.
And it's off the first one. But what's the difference in those things? What's the difference now, my brother? What's the difference? Oh, dealing with the hands up there, found on there right now. Action talk in the
Curry goat and fried chicken. I'm gonna have just curry goat. Damn it. Current gone. Not do me here. Yeah, man. That come back on. I have faith.
The people that were there, let's take a little chance to come over to the bar, see? Yeah. Anyone else up here, see? Oh, yeah, know this guy. You don't have to come over and find out. Pick up with the lazy boy, touch yourself. Touch up on your purse. Pick up the set on the
Don't forget to look for them achievements.
Money. Jesus Christ. Yo, champion! Check it, dude! Check it! Walking on that! And if you make a little blood clot money, you know how you make it down. Pick up to all who they are now sell out your real friend them, but you see a lot of no, check it! Cartel Bossa Blanca in the air. All who rate Bossa Blanca me own alone. All who rate Massacre Bossa Blanca me own alone. If you don't know something, the body's bumbo classing boy. Bossa Blanca, let me tell you. What you did? Let me tell you. What you did? Anyway, I see deep flavors. You're real! From the edge of the night. People didn't know me when they make him off me and I got school. Look for blood clot me now that. Man, I need like this. Hey! Yo, Navi! You can take time all about now. Everybody knows that. Just you know what I'm going now down. Come on, right to the kind of sound, this sound. If you know you have on the one shoes, stick out the foot them, yeah. Stick out the foot, stick out. What's the party? Everybody know you can't go over here. Yo, good luck for me. I bet there's some turn up around this bumbo class. Say that you walk on real boy. Everybody knows that. Let the party go on. Everybody. Muslim class. Everybody, bumbo class. What's it? It's a look like it's a Canadian, or it's a Pole, or it's a Cayman Islands. Start kicking out so we get guys. Yo, stop. Sing up. Money. Jesus Christ. It's a competition, boy. It's like it's a competition. You check it, kid. Anybody do best get a US, yes? Check it, you can't make it out, you drop it. Yo, champions! Jesus Christ, be a currency. The most part of the giant neck of it. She has a drum and drive. She a mix 15 of July. Come shot hold on, level me down. Me a check the party now. Over my left hand side, me a check the party. All who no fear no farmer, but the famous dog. The money to tell them say you got some rich before you see the blood clot links large. Man from Tonda, DJ Barney, 101 big up. Barney, blood clot all really about up rifle. Remember people, if you know about a road and so a Subaru. First while like cheese. I click for them with my visa. This ain't a beat up, no the killer. Yo, check it out! I lose your fear now, we're going to do the dance. Do the dance, everybody 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 do the dance. Do the dance, do the dance, do the dance, do the dance. blood clot team flavor. Like let me tell you what one boy and all that. I feel the tree like Jada and the boat. You look at me and I'm job. You got me with me ever talk. We are like down here, moving on them. Want blood clot, what's the team B.O.B. Team B.O.B. Team B.O.B. Jesus Christ, make it tell them why not get rude. On the signature talk with the girl from Team B.O.B. Rude. Watch Devlin. In the video, one jumping like catches us in your money. Hey, them girls are rich tonight, you fuck. Are your family and I man, see man, show money.
I just got a pineapple from my cousin garden. Small and cute and smells sweet. There. I'm cooked already. Morning. I'm leaving right now. Sweet stuff. Long time so sweet stuff, you know. To the airport right now.
Gonna feel life down, she up that shot. Love of my life, yo, the money no want see you, but me dance, see you. Boulevard. Go. Let pussy la.
Big afford, watch him.